Good morning everyone. We are here now in Rizal, Palapala, Iloilo City, and we are now showing you the reclamation project of Iloilo City Seaside Boulevard. So this is now the actual situation and I will show you more around. Reclamation is a deliberate process of converting foreshore land, submerged areas or bodies of water into land by filling or other means using dredge fill and other suitable materials for specific purposes. According to City Mayor Trenyas, with reclamation, you can have a well-planned development, more economic activities, more employment opportunities, and it will mean the city becomes more attractive. He said that the city needs reclamation because its area is only 7,834 hectares. I am currently standing here in Barangay Rizal Estanzuela, Iloilo, and the neighboring barangay is Rizal Palapala. And this reclamation started there in Fort San Pedro, Iloilo, specifically in the NIDA office, and it will push through to this barangay. Guys, to be honest, I am not really sure what is the purpose of this reclamation project, but I am pretty sure that this will be 100% give additional beautification for Iloilo City and of course the progress its infrastructure. As a vlogger myself, I personally observed that Iloilo City is really progressing fast because not only the road, not only the building, but also the sea is improving. And according to the residents here, every afternoon there's a lot of people coming here just to witness the sunset here, the beautiful sunset. And now it's time for me to jam with the people here in Rizal Estanzuela. So let's talk with them. Good morning guys, this is Rizal Estanzuela and wow, kasadya di sa mga pumuloyo. Sumangkutonta sila kung saan o ginibala nag-start ang tampukanay delay or ang reclamation area sa ilang dagat. Kasan o ganito sir sila nagluwa tampok ang balmo sa August? Sugod sila ano. So sa imo idea, di ni sila maumpisa hasta diin pagid na ano, hasta diin antiki. So naumpisa diri sa Rizal Estanzuela. Oo. Diri naman. Ay okay. Di matiyag mo makatag ini sa aton na Pacific na tauhay sa ulihin. Okay. Di sir may shout out ikaw. Shout out. Hey regards si mo miga to. Diin ka gusto? Adir sa sagwa to? Adir lang? Okay, sige. Ay! Sa mga taga Rizal Estanzuela, bakli na sa murot sa iya nga balot. Okay. Ay, tayo videoan na mo, okay lang? Okay. Dali ka mo lang ka. Amo ni mga taga Rizal Estanzuela, mga pumuluyo, sadya sa ila. Ay, wait. Lusot na ito sir sa sagwa, gid na? Ayos! Sadya gani ka mo diyaya kay pagwa. Hindi ka mo pagwa to, mama. Guys, sa kasadya di sa mga pumuluyo sa Rizal Estanzuela. And I'm so happy kay very hospitable sila and accommodating. So that's it guys. Amo ni ang sitwasyon sang reclamation project sang seaside sang Iloilo City. And we're going out na dire. Rizal Estanzuela and Rizal Palapala are neighboring barangays, and this is a very lucky barangays because they are the center of the city proper. From their barangay, you can go directly to the mall, to the market, and to the churches or anywhere you want to go. You just walk a little bit and you reach the mall of Robinson, you reach the mall of SM Delgado, and also they can go and buy their fresh fish and vegetables here in Terminal Market. Good morning to all my viewers. Ari naman kita diri sa Rizal Palapala uno kag ari din aton mga amigo, mga friendly gidya. So ano bala ang sekreto sa mga taga Rizal Palapala uno nga daw ka mas sinadyaon gid kita sir?
Simple lang pero raka.
Correct. Okay, sa ating may shout out ikaw, shout out.
Okay.
Oh, shout out Sino na imo greet na ang friends mo?
Si Miss Maribek Lasana.
Ay, wow!
Love you.
Okay. Di, ikaw yung sir, may harapan? Naraman ni Gret.
Wala ka mag-date ko lang kabataan, okay lang itong lawason.
Ay, correct.
Shout out,
Unang palalagyo sila.
Shout out, namin TV Vlog.
Ay, wow, okay, okay. Oo nga sila, okay, sige na, free na, hindi na. O, hindi na sila. Sir, thank you. Bye-bye. I would like to thank you, the residents of Rizal Estanzuela and Rizal Palapala 1 and 2 for accommodating us this morning. And of course, thank you so much to all my viewers. But I know that you have not yet subscribed to my channel. So please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that every time I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you so much to Ma'am Lou and husband for always supporting my channel, and to Mama Deng, to Tita Rachel and husband, and of course to my cousin, to Aming and Inday Mel, and to your 2 children. Thank you so much to all my co-vloggers and to all my viewers who are always requesting me to what will be my next vlog. So thank you so much for your suggestion. Happy holiday, everyone.